So this is the XT exchange. One of the top ranking crypto trading exchanges, as you can see, is currently ranking top 7. And with the XT exchange, you can do a whole lot like trading features, trading derivatives, copy trading, and a whole lot, which I'll go into in a moment. But in this video, I want to show you how you can actually get 100% cash back of whatever you deposit into the ST exchange and use that to start your trading journey. I'll go into details in a moment. Now, as I mentioned before, XT Exchange is one of the top 10 ranking exchanges as recorded by CoinMarketCap and CoinGecko, and they are doing a whole lot when it comes to daily volumes and a lot of liquidity that will actually make you feel at home as a trader. And the best part is that they have the financial reserves where you can actually see everything in details. As you can see, this was updated around 1 a.m. my own time, as you can see right here. So this is being updated every day, telling you that your money is actually safe if anything actually happens. So on the XT exchange, as I said earlier, you can carry out a whole lot of activities like spot trading, ETFs, derivatives, and all of these different options that every other exchange actually do. So just for a limited time, they're actually giving out a lot of money to everyone who signed up with my partnership link, which is in the video description. I've made a post already on Telegram, and you can see the link in the video description or using the comment section. You can just sign up for an account, get your account verified, and then fund your account. Right. So once you fund your account, you can get a cashback. Now, the first thing is, as a new user, once you sign up, you get $10 trial funds, which you can use to try out how the platform works. Right? You can use a $10 to try out how the platform works. And if you go further to make a deposit of any of this amount, right, you get 100% net deposit cashback. So this is what happens right here. So if you make a deposit of $100, and you do a future trading volume of 8,000, this you can do in just one trade. Because if I use like 100x leverage and I use $100 my margin, I'm already doing 10K in one trade. So if you do that, you get a future bonus of $100, meaning you'll be credited with $100, the same amount of money you deposited, and you can use this money to trade and keep 100% of whatever capital that you have. So for this to work for you, once you deposit, you can transfer this amount of money you deposit into your futures account, or transfer half of it or part of it to your futures account and start trading with it. Then if you make a deposit of $200 and you do 15K in trading volume, you get back $200. If you make a deposit of $500 and you do 50K in trading volume, you get back $500. So when you get this money, you can withdraw your own initial capital and use the money that they have given you to start trading. Now, more bonus for you if you start trading, the more you continue to trade. If you do up to 300K in trading volume, you get additional $20. If you do up to 500K, you get additional $30. And if you do up to a million, you get additional $60. This one, you can withdraw this money and use it. Okay, so this is just for a limited time. As you can see, the event is starting from 27 and it will be ending on the 13th of June. So take advantage of this right now. And for those of you who are joining and participating in the compounding challenge, I've told you all you need to target is, if you are going to compound your capital, is just to, I will do a separate video about that. It's just to trade and do 5% daily on your capital and you're good to go. So you can actually claim this money, make a deposit, claim the money, withdraw your own capital, and use the capital that they are giving you to start up the compounding challenge and keep whatever amount of money that they give to you. You can keep 100% of whatever amount of money that they give to you, and that is it. So take advantage of this right now, guys, and I'll see you on the inside. More video tutorials about the XT exchange I'll publish in the future, but for now, take advantage of this before it expires.